I'd like to inform the Moro people of Mindanao that I hate to wage a war against them. I'm addressing yung, ayaw ko makipag-away sa inyo. Ayaw ko makipagpatayan, but please do not force my hand. Kasi may limit ho naman ang problema nito. I cannot be forever traveling here every month para lang makipag-usap at pagtalikod ko patayan na naman. There has to be a timeline. It could be forever. It could be during my term. It could be beyond my term. But there is certainly a limit. And when that limit comes, I'll have to deal with you harshly. I do not want to mention anything, but please do not force my hand into it. I do not want it. Na alam ninyo, yung maote, if they are inspired doon sa ISIS, magka-letset-letset ang buhay natin. Alam mo, mahal ko kayo at sana tulungan na lang ninyo ako kaysa makipag-away ng gobyerno na wala namang katapusan. I'm pleading to my Moro brothers and sisters, please help us.